that I'm bloody emotional. So much pressure. Killing me. The show must go on. Hi guys, today's video is an exciting one and it's terrifying at the same time because it's a little makeup challenge. So I'm gonna use a little roulette to decide the time. I'm gonna apply the makeup on my face. I don't know how I'm gonna end, and I'm not very good at makeup like generally, let alone under the pressure. So yay, but I guess it's gonna be fun, so let's get started. So for this I'm gonna use a website called willdecide.com, and there I made my own custom roulette and added like seconds. So I'm gonna spin the wheel and see how many seconds I have to do my makeup, specifically how many seconds I have to do each part of my face. Like every single item is gonna get its own timeline. So obviously I'm gonna start up with the primer and let's see how many seconds I have to do this. Okay, let's see. "60 seconds to put the bloody primer?" I don't need so much time to do the primer, but I mean, this is gonna be a crazy challenge because if I'll need to do my foundation and I have only like 6 seconds, that's gonna be quite crazy. So wish me luck. But yeah, 60 seconds, that's not bad, so let's do it. So for the primer I'm gonna use Maybelline New York Baby Skin Instant Eraser, and I'm just gonna take off the lid and put a bit on my fingers. So the time is on. Oh my god, quick, needs to be all over my face. Even if it's just 60 seconds, it feels like so short because I don't know, it's crazy when you have to be very quick. I need to get more. Still having 42 seconds. Okay, that's not bad at all. I mean, I'm gonna be screwed if I'm gonna get less seconds for all the items like eyeshadow and like eyeliner. So yeah, let's laugh. Okay, so far I think I'm done rubbing my face now at this point without any points, so I don't know why, but hooray, I'm done, and it's less than 60 seconds. I guess we are good to go, but let's wait. That's it, 60 seconds expired. So next I'm gonna go with the foundation obviously, and I'm gonna use Dream Radiant Liquid from Maybelline New York. Again, not intentional to choose again something from Maybelline New York, but I quite like them. And now let's get back to the magic wheel and spin it and see how long do I have to apply the foundation, because I'm very scared of this. Spin the wheel. Let's see. Please give me some time. Give me some. 15 seconds to apply this foundation. That is not okay. I mean, I wish I had 60 seconds to apply this, because 15 seconds, I don't know how I'm gonna do. That's just gonna be a little bit. I know that I'm screwed. I'm so screwed. Time is on. Okay, blend. I don't have a mirror, and I'm done. What is with this foundation, man? This is ridiculous. I kind of had a feeling that it's gonna be like this. I'm gonna get 15 seconds to do my foundation and 60 whole seconds for the primer. I mean, look at my forehead. I look absolutely ridiculous, and I didn't even see myself in the mirror because I'm just looking in the viewfinder. I didn't blend anything on my forehead. That is so bad. Jesus Christ. I hope I'm gonna get more time for the concealer, because yeah, I'll have some time to blend. Otherwise, I'm looking so far absolutely beautiful, right? I mean, ridiculous. The next I'm gonna go with the concealer, and I'm gonna use Instant Anti-Age Eraser from Maybelline New York. Again, oh my goodness, it's the third item with this brand, and I swear this is not sponsored by Maybelline, even though I wish it was. But this is a very nice concealer. Let's get ready my wheel. Let's see how many seconds I have to apply my concealer. Spin the wheel. Here we go. How many seconds? Please give me some more time. Yay! I've got 30 seconds, so that must be enough to do my concealer and blend a little bit of this foundation because it looks horrific. Let's go. Quick blend. All nice, all nice. Oh, so much pressure, so much pressure. Oh my god. Okay, it's doing this. Okay. Quick. Still have time. Didn't start the time. Wonderful. Guys, this challenge is killing me. Like, it's so much multitasking. I think we can both agree that we shall move to the next step because I don't know what to do. I quite blended my concealer and I don't know how many seconds it passed, but we shall go on. The show must go on, right? Okay, we can both agree that the concealer was a big failure, so let's not think about that because I'm so angry about it, I can't tell you. But let's move on and let's do my blush. For my blush, I'm gonna use NYX Sweet Cheeks, which is a very gorgeous blush, and it's in the shade Rose and Play, sort of. I mean, this is not gonna require a lot of time, but yeah, let's see. How many seconds do we have for the blush? Spin the wheel! Whee! Okay, so for the blush, we have 14 seconds. That's not bad at all. And this time let's make sure that we set the timer properly because I'm rubbish at multitasking and this task is painful. Timer ready. Now my phone doesn't want to work. Perfect. Start. 40 seconds. 14 seconds. I have to put the blush. A nice glowy blush. I love this. It's very subtle, very nice. A little bit on my nose. Done. And next we are gonna move with the bronzer, and for my bronzer I'm gonna use the Hoola bronzer from Benefit, and I don't know what I'm doing with my hands, but I'm bloody emotional because of this challenge. Like, so much pressure, so much pressure. I'm gonna use my beloved palette called Fire Queen for Sculpt from Benefit, which has incorporated the Hoola bronzer. Let's see how many seconds I have to bronze my face. Okay, spin the wheel for the bronzer. Bronze time. Let's see how much time do we have. So we have 15 seconds. Okay, that's not too bad. It seems like, you know, a trend sort of thing that it goes with 15 seconds. I'm just gonna dab a little bit again. Hope that's not cheating, because I mean, 15 seconds, go. Oh my god, I went a little bit crazy with the blush and oh my god, quick, little bit of bronze, this sound. I'm so bad at this. I can't multitask and I can't do my makeup under pressure and under this time, and seriously, at this point I'm wondering what am I doing? For the powder, I'm gonna use Sexy Mama Anti-Shine Translucent Powder from the Balm, and let's see how much time we have to apply this on my face. Let's see how many seconds we have for the powder. Go. So for the powder, I have 14 seconds. That's not bad at all. So, okay, 14 seconds, go. I went so crazy with the blush, like I can't tell you, and my forehead looks awful. Now I'm gonna move to the eyes, and I thought this is gonna be the most terrifying part, but it's actually not true because you already see how bad is everything. So for my eyes, I'm gonna try to do something simple because hell no, I won't be able to do anything amazing with a couple of seconds. So for my eyes, I'm gonna use the luxury palette from Charlotte Tilbury with a couple of not a couple, just one matte, and the rest of them are like shimmer. And let's spin the wheel and see how many seconds I have to do my eyeshadow. I don't know what's worse. It can't get worse than this. For the eyeshadow, we have spin, spin, spin. So for my eyeshadow, I have 8 seconds. Wonderful. Can you get more screwed than this? So I thought it's gonna be something like this, because why would I need like 60 seconds to apply my primer, and now I get 8 seconds to apply my eyeshadow? How is that possible? I'm just gonna apply some shimmer, and I have no idea. I think I'm gonna go with this color right here, which is like a champagne bead. But I mean, 8 seconds. I need to dab so well, so I have enough eyeshadow to apply on both of my eyes, because you blink and 8 seconds, phew, gone. Go. I just want to laugh how bad this is. And now to make the things even more exciting, I'm gonna do my eyeliner, and I'm praying for 60 seconds, because everything like everything, but when I have one eye with an eyeline and the other one without anything, you just look bad. Not that I'm not looking bad already. By the way, for the eyeliner, I'm using Roxy X Revolution. Go. "20 seconds, that's still not enough. How am I gonna do this? Please help me." This is not fun at all. I thought it's gonna be fun, but I just look worse and worse, and I'm about to get even worse. Let's do this. Go. Okay. This just gives me anxiety at this point, because I'm like, twitching. I'm done. I can't do anything, and it's terrible. Relax. Take a deep breath. I feel like I need this right now. Moving on into the eyelashes. For my eyelashes, I'm gonna use Better Than Sex mascara from Too Faced, and I'm gonna spin the wheel and see how many seconds I have to apply my mascara. This shouldn't be that hard, because it just tuk 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 and it's done. Let's go. To apply my mascara, I have 20 seconds, which is not bad at all. I'm gonna set up my timer and start. This should be like 10 seconds for an eye and 10 seconds for another eye. But I always underestimate how much time I need to do this. This makeup look just screams this is so bad, and I could give you a 0, but that's not possible, so I'm gonna give you a 1. And now I'm gonna move to the eyebrows, and for the eyebrows I'm gonna use an eyebrow gel from Essence, which is called Lash and Brow. How much time we have for the eyebrows? Perfect. 30 seconds to do my eyebrows. I could do with 30 seconds with doing my foundation, but I can't choose this. I like this gel. It makes them really nice, really fluffy and voluminous, and it seems that I had more than enough time to do my eyebrows. I just hope I didn't forget to put my timer again. I did. Wonderful. And now moving on into the highlight, and I'm gonna use the Fenty Beauty Kilowatt, which is my favorite highlighter right now. Spin the wheel, and to do my highlight I have exactly 8 seconds. Yes, start. And I didn't even dab it. Oh my god. Oh my god, that is pretty. This is okay. Literally, that was it. And I thought it's gonna be, oh my god, 8 seconds is so much. No, it's not, because you have to put the highlight on your brows and on the cupid's bow and on your nose and on the brow bone, but it wasn't meant to be. Now moving on into the last step, which is the lips, and for this I'm gonna use e.l.f. Seriously Satin, and this is in the shade Cider. I think I bought this guy like 3 months ago and never used it, so that's the perfect occasion to use it. So let's see how many seconds we have to apply this gorgeous lipstick, and for this 6 seconds. Are you joking me? Why? I mean, why just 6 seconds? Why did I put 6 seconds? You can't do anything in 6 seconds. Oh my lord. Let's do this. Go. It's just funny, but I guess that's the point of this video, because you can't apply a foundation in like 8 seconds or so. I mean, you barely can add anything on your face and then start to blend. And then how much time do you need to blend? You need a lot of time. So, excusez-moi, that's the best what I could do. But did I have fun? Yes, I did, and I hope you did too. And if you did, please give this video a big thumbs up, to subscribe to see more of my future videos. And apart from that, see you next time. Mwah.